We just got to Skiathos town. We're by the airport and we're going to see the plane landing. It's quite special here. It comes quite close to the ground, isn't it?
Yeah, it's one of the places you can stand directly under the flight path when it's actually landing, because the airport is very small.
One is coming now, so we're in a bit of a rush.
You see the red light, no driving, because the plane's coming in.
Oh yeah, there's a traffic lights in there. And we've got a red light now.
It means it's coming, I can see it. Look, it's coming in now.
Yep. Plane's coming, let's go.
It's coming.
It's quite an attraction in here because loads of people always come and watch it. So it won't be just us here.
My phone over there, right? I'm going right under it.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
I can feel that.
Oh my god, it's just blowing me away! Wow!
I can feel it, that was so crazy.
My head is literally racing.
That went straight over
Oh
my head.
God.
One more coming in 5 minutes.
Oh my god, I survived that!
You know what's coming now?
Oh my god! This place became quite a tourist attraction, isn't it? Loads of people gathering for the same reason we're here, to watch the plane. Everyone's waiting. So planes usually coming from this way, and the runway is just over there.
Go and stand over there. Where are you hiding? That wasn't too bad. We went to take a picture and she got scared. Come on, let's go.
So how was the experience we just had?
It was quite fun.
Yeah, it's really good fun. Come and have a look and see it, but it's a bit scary.
Did you get scared?
Yeah, I did get scared. I was meant to take a picture, but I just ducked in because the plane was too close to me. It would have been a nice picture though, with the sunset, plane flying over Danny's head, but oh well, never mind. You're gonna see it on the vlog.